How to customize your DOLA Pro with a heel cup height reduction. Heel cup height reduction is the reduction in the heel cup height by 2 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, or as required. In this video we will show you how to complete a 6 mm heel cup height reduction in clinic. Heel cup height reduction requires a guide point connecting to the medial and lateral borders of the orthotic to indicate your grinding line. Step 1. Mark the required height reduction on the posterior surface of the heel cup. This can be measured from the top surface down or bottom surface up. Step 2. Connect the posterior heel point to the medial and lateral borders of the orthotic with a line. You now have your heel cup height reduction area marked and guidelines for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell or heel cup material above your guideline. Hold the orthotic shell by the dorsal and plantar surfaces. Place the heel cup area of the orthotic shell against the grinder. Remove small sections of the orthotic at a time until you become comfortable and check your progress against your guidelines. The orientation of the orthotic chosen was to aid in visualization of the grinding in this video. In clinical practice, you may find that rotating the orthotic will aid in the ergonomics and ease of this modification. A full sweep of the edge against the grinder will ensure a smooth and even finish of the heel cup. Heel cup height reduction is used to aid in footwear fit, including football boots, cycling cleats, ski boots, dress shoes, high heels, street shoes, and narrow-waisted sport shoes. Reduce irritation and match footwear-based dimension, including open-back sandals. Fit customizations can be performed on the entire DOLA Pro range. If you don't have a grinder, the Pro Fit and Pro Light are popular low-profile options. For the latest open access education and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to download our advanced customization manual at dolarorthotics.com. To access more of our videos, please follow the links, and we look forward to supporting you in your clinical practice.